You wouldn't believe your phone can tracking you and your phone can listening you every single time. I mean, if you don't stop some settings from your phone, that time you are in under surveillance. I mean, your phone can locating you where you are and your phone can listening you and your circumstances. So you need to do some settings in your phone right now. So if you really want to learn how to do that and how to stop tracking, that time you can see this video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me tell you something, that actually this video will take maybe 4 to 5 minutes. So if you are in hurry mode, that time you can skip the video and you can compromise your security. But if you really want to stop tracking from your phone, that time see this video without skipping. Okay, so let's start the process. So the first one will be, you need to go to your phone settings, and after that just scroll down and you need to find out this location application. Okay, just click on it, and if you don't find it from there, that time just swipe down your notification panel, and after that just hold this location for few seconds, and let me show you. You will see this kinds of interface. Okay, so the first one you will need to do, just click here location service, and then you can see there are some vulnerable settings already turned on, which is Wi-Fi scanning. Let app use Wi-Fi for more accurate location detection even when Wi-Fi is off. So this is really problematic. I mean, if your Wi-Fi is already off, that time it can share also location. Okay, so you need to turn these settings off. And another is Bluetooth scanning. You also need to turn this off. And after that just scroll up and you can see in there location accuracy. Okay, so let me click this one, then just turn these settings off if you don't want to share your location. So after that just get back from here and again get back from here, and right now you need to click here app permissions. And the first thing you need to do, click here Android system intelligence, just select on it and click here ask every time. Okay, just click on it, then click here don't allow anyway, and then get back from here, then click here Bixby, then select ask every time, then click don't allow anyway, and then get back from here again. And right now you need to click here Google Chrome browser, then use precise location, just turn this off, and after that select ask every time, so that it couldn't collect your location automatically. Okay, and again you need to go to Facebook, then select use precise location, turn off, then select ask every time. Okay, so you need to do in every single app which you think it can spying. Okay, so just do it in maps also, just select this, then select ask every time, and you can do WhatsApp also. Okay, just select ask every time, and after that you are done from location. Okay, so from now your phone couldn't collect your location anymore. So this is the first one, and you need to turn off your surrounding recordings. Okay, I mean it can listen everything. Okay, so what you need to do, just need to go to settings again, your phone settings, and after that you need to click here Google, this option, then click here all service, then scroll down and then click here uses and diagnostics. And after that you can read it. There are something very vulnerable. You can say help improve your Android device experience by automatically sending diagnostics, device and app use data to Google. So it will send everything to Google. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to turn this off, then get back from here, and after that you need to click here personalize using shared data. And after that you can see it will share your location through maps. So this is really problematic, so you need to turn this off. And also Gmail, and The last thing, which will be external media. I mean, it can share your audio, video, everything. Okay, so most probably it share your audio. Okay, so you need to turn these settings off, and device contacts also off. And you can see in there, let Google Apps use on device data shared by these apps and other sources to improve your Android experience. So you just need to turn these settings off, and after that just get back from here. And after doing all these things, you need to do one thing more, which is ads. Okay, so let me click here, ads, and you need to click here, delete your advertising ID. If you do it, that time your phone couldn't suggest you any ad based on your search result. Okay, so you need to click here, delete advertising ID, and then click here, delete advertising ID, and you are done. Okay, so you can see there are no advertising ID available anymore. So you can do these settings in your phone. And there are one bonus tips for you, which is do not share check-in in Facebook. Okay, so let me go to Facebook, and what we do, we just share check-in. Okay, so this is really problematic. If you do it, that time you share your location. Remember this. So do not check in Facebook. If you do it, that time you are in under surveillance. So just do these settings in your phone, and you can stop tracking from your phone. So that's it, guys. So if you stop these settings from your phone, that time your phone couldn't track you anymore. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you.